Here's how to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. First, start by turning airplane mode on for a few seconds. After that, you want to turn that off, then reconnect to the internet. Now open the Instagram app and check if the page loads. If the problem continues, you want to open your phone settings, then go to apps. Now from this list of applications, select Instagram, then tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, open the Instagram app and check if the issue is fixed. If clearing the cache doesn't help, then you want to uninstall the app. Uninstall it. After that, open Play Store or App Store. Now search for Instagram. Then tap on the install option and reinstall the application. If the error still appears after reinstalling, it's most likely a temporary issue on Instagram's side. In that case, you simply want to wait for some time. You can try updating the Instagram application if that becomes available. So in this way, you can fix the page isn't available right now issue on Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.